Hello everyone, Edelma Salvador Jr. once again, your Revit operator. In this video, we will modeling a circular shape of building with the exterior facade. Okay, before we jump to the tutorial, I would like to say thank you to all of you. And if you are new to this channel, if you like, subscribe so you are updated once I uploaded a video like this. So let's jump to our tutorial. Here I am in Revit. In this project, I use the architectural template for this one. So now we are here in the parameter of the architectural template. So first thing we will do is to set the units by millimeters or meters or inches. It depends to you. Okay, but from me, I will use this as millimeter. So go to south elevation, set this one. Okay, I set this height of 3 meters of each level. So right click, create similar, fit this 3000, pick this one, and I will simply rename this roof. Okay, roof, hook. A lot of I put there. Okay. Yes, okay. So go back to the level 1. Command RV for the reference plane of our project. Simply copy this one. Or pick this. Okay, copy. Make one here. And or simply command MM so that we don't need to make dimension equally. So MM, pick this, move this one in the middle like this, and pick this, rotate, copy, rotate it like this. So now we start massing now. So go to massing inside, model in place, mass 1, circle, offset it. Okay, offset into 9,000, or okay, it's better 9,000 or 8, maybe 8,000. We will see 7,500. Okay, so we have like this. Okay, so now we are added line here, one here, and one here. Okay, command SL to break temporary this to this one. Okay, trim and extend, trim and extend, trim and extend. So pick this one, pick this, adjust this to here, and pick this again, pick once more, adjust it here. So now we have already like this. Copy this one. Okay, copy, paste, align selected level, roof, hit OK, and if we will see in the 3D, he look like this. So now we start create form of this part. So create form, solid form, he look like this. So now we make adjustment in this corner. Okay, simply copy this again, copy, paste, align selecting object, roof. So there is 2. So this one is deleted, no problem. And we need double click this, then erase this one, go to level 1, add line in this corner. Okay, so if we go to 3D, it look like this. So hit finish, pick this, okay, and pick this one, create form, solid form, so it look like this already. So hit finish. Okay, we starting adding the floor in each level. So now go to architectural floor. Okay, pick this line, pick this, and make line here. Okay, line like this, and hit finish. Go to 3D. We have already created floors. So to add the other floor, just simply copy this one. Okay, copy paste, align selected level, group. Okay, hit OK. So now we double click this to modify. Delete this one, delete this two, pick this, and hit finish. So we have already created floor in this area. So now we just simply copy this. Okay, copy this one, copy paste, align selected object. Okay, and now we leave this third floor as empty for now, for the floor. Okay, we will fix it after or later. Okay, so now we go to the exterior facade of this building. So we proceed this. To do this one, pick this. Okay, go to architectural, curtain panel, edit type, duplicate, curtain. You can rename it by your, for example, here I fix only I think 1000, and here keep it none temporarily. Okay, and here just it to rectangular 2x5 rectangular boolean. Okay, so hit OK, and we need a thickness for the mullion. So go to family, to do that one, go to the family, mullions. Okay, rectangular shape, pick this one, duplicate it, duplicate, create facade mullion. Okay, pick this, double click this to modify perpendicular face, and I fix this as 1000, but we can adjust it later. Okay, it depends into the project. Okay, favorites, for example, I make wood temporarily. Okay, and this is 100, hit OK, and now we will see it. Click this one, edit type. Okay, pick this, change it into our created. So pick this, create form. So now he look like this. Okay, if you want to modify the spacing for this one, if you are not happy for the spacing, it's no problem. You can modify it into the created mullions here. Okay, so for now leave it like this. So now if we will see the floors are there is obstruction here, so we need to fix this one. Okay, so go to level 1 to fix this. Okay, go to level 1 or level 2. Okay, double click this and offset this one, offset. Okay, so 500 is enough. Yes, because I forget our mullion thickness is 1000 divided by 2. Okay, so trim and extend, also here, trim and extend. Okay, fix like this and hit finish. Okay, pick this, copy, paste selected level, paste into 3. So now if we will go to 3D, we are already here. So what we do next? Okay, just command PG. Okay, check your mask, uncheck this mask, apply. Okay, close, go to masking inside, So it look like this. So it's very clear to everyone of us. Okay, so we need to add here a wall temporarily. Okay, so to do this one, go to architectural wall, set to 9,000, okay, and base, maybe core face exterior, we will see it. Pick this one and pick this. So now it's okay. You can pick all here. Okay, so now we add the storefront in this part of the building for this entrance. So to do that one, go to level 1, wall, pick this one, storefront, and make a line from here to here. Okay, so pick this like this. Okay, so there is a gap, so you can move it like this. So once more. Okay, so we go to 3D, it look like this, or we can move it more. Go back to the level 1, move it more. Okay, move it more. Okay, like this, so it's better. So now we will go to the south elevation to modify this one. Delete this, pick line here, trim and extend. Okay, trim and extend, trim and extend, trim and extend also here, and delete this, hit finish, delete element. So we have like this already, but we need to move it more here. This one, no problem. Okay, so it's not obstruction in that part. So if we will see in the 3D, it look like this. So now we add a door in this part. For example, just simply pick this, okay, and delete this, pick this one, unlock this, pick this, add remove, pick. Okay, so now we have opening for the door. Okay, so to fix this one, we need to tab, unlock this one, okay, and go to architectural template, go to insert, load family, insert doors here, door, double door, single. We use this one, door curtain wall, double front. Okay, so pick this, search our door here, and automatically apply in this corner. So we have a view already like this. Once you want more the thickness of the mullions here or the facade, you can do it into here for the changes, whatever you want. The more thickness here, no problem, you can do it. So we have shape like this already. So if you want temporarily fix the safety here, okay, we will go to architectural. Okay, temporarily we add a railing on that floor. So we go to the second floor. Okay, so we are here in the second floor, so go to railing. Okay, use this one, pick this up to here. This is only temporary, so it's look like okay. Finish it, change this one into glass panel. We go to 3D. Okay, copy this, copy and paste it, align object, level 3. So you have already glass panels railing in this part. So it looks like okay. Now we are already finished in this project. from now we are finished in this part. Okay, maybe in the other video I will show you how to make a material to each and every part of this building shape. So if you can want, you can modify it also by storefront to all of this part. Okay, so it's look like better if you want. Okay, it's up to you. Don't copy mine, just copy the procedure what I do it in this project. So we are already done in this part of tutorial, sorry. So if you want to change this glass, just simply hit tab. Okay, pick this. Okay, for example here, and go to glass, change it into other color. You can do it immediately. This is temporary, I put apply it. Okay, apply. Okay, so already all glass are created except this door. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy to view this video. If you like it, subscribe so that you are always updated once I make a video like this. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.